friends, welcome to Delectable Flavors. Today I'm going to share a recipe with you which is called vegan royal icing. So in order to make a vegan royal icing, you need Aquafaba, which is basically a chickpea water. So I'm taking 3 tablespoons of Aquafaba. So I'm going to pour this in my bowl over here, and you need 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and I'm going to put cream of tartar in my bowl as well. Now we need to use a mixer, and we are going to mix them until they are frothy. Now you can look how frothy it is. So it's just a combination of Aquafaba and a cream of tartar. Now I'm going to add 2.5 cups of icing sugar, and we are going to put in here, and we'll mix them with the help of a mixer. I would say do it on the low speed because it's going to be nicely mixed up and more consistent. So now you can see it's nicely mixed up and it's nice and thick. So now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon extract. Now we are going to mix them and blend them again for about 8 minutes. So make sure you stop in between and scrape all the sides so none of the sugar is left on the sides, because we need to mix it properly so that it's going to be nice, smooth and consistent. Bring the icing on the side to the middle and blend again. So just going to start again. Now you can do it on a medium speed, that's fine. Make sure you stop in between when you're blending and take the royal icing off the sides, because royal icing really solidifies, dries too fast. So otherwise you're gonna see the clumps in your icing. So make sure you scrape the sides off frequently and then blend them again. And one more thing, if you think your icing is a little bit thick, then you can add a little bit of Aquafaba, basically a chickpea water. And if you think it's liquid, it's kind of liquidy, then you can add a little bit of sugar in order to make it a little bit hard. So now I'm going to blend again. So now our royal icing sugar is ready. This can be used to decorate cookies, and this can be used to make a colorful sprinkles. For the colorful sprinkles, stay tuned for our next video. We are going to share a recipe how to make them. And now it's all ready. If you don't want to use it right away because it takes a lot of mixing and stuff, you can make it and put it in an airtight container and keep it in your fridge, and it's going to be good for about a week. And then you can use it at your convenient time. So I'm going to give a last whisk one more time. And now you can see it's nice. It's not thick. It's not kind of liquidy. It's nice. You can see on that blender as well. So it needs to stay like this. So if it's too liquidy, then it's going to drop too fast, and that's not good for us. Another thing you need to keep in mind is, like when we're making this, your container needs to be oil free, because if you have a little bit of oil in this, then it's going to mess it up. It's not going to give you this type of consistency. So make sure you can wash it up, wash your bowls. If you think it's going to be, if it's a plastic especially, try to use a lemon in order to clean it so all the oil content is out. But if you're using a glass, so mostly oil doesn't stick that much. So this is our royal icing sugar, ready to decorate cookies and make some colorful sprinkles. I hope you like this video, and I really encourage you to try this. And if you like it, please like our recipe and make sure you share it with as many as friends possible. Thanks for now. Bye. soon.